Buckle up. With one single tweet, Universal Studios Hollywood seems to have announced their next major addition to the theme park. After months of speculation and rumors, we do have confirmation that a new high-thrill roller coaster centered around the Fast and Furious franchise is in fact happening. But where is it going? And what can we expect from when it opens? We recently reported on our last visit out to the park that it will be coming to the upper lot section directly outside of Springfield, taking up a large portion of land. This meant the removal of 2 stage shows, animal actors live on location, as well as the special effects show. As of right now, land clearing in this area is moving fast, since the park would like this new high-octane thrill ride to open as soon as possible. Well, let's take a closer look at what kind of attraction we will be getting. Rumored to be manufactured by Intamin, the same company who brought us fan favorites such as Velocicoaster, is looking to partner with Universal once again. The queue will most likely look similar to how it does over on Fast and Furious Supercharged on the East Coast at Universal Studios Florida, with model hot rods and racing cars on display for all to see to help build up the story. Still no word on whether or not there will be a pre-show for this attraction, but hopefully since it is Hollywood, they can hire some better actors than how it is over on Supercharged.
The FBI is about to raid your location.
Not the FBI.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
So let's fast forward now to the ride and rumored ride layout. Despite being a ride themed all around family, this is no family coaster. You will start off with a high-speed acceleration right out of the station into an overbank turn. Twisting and turning will follow as you pick up speed as you head down the hillside, inching closer to the lower lot section of the park. Here you will hit your first inversion, followed by the ride's second launch, which will send you straight into a sideways airtime hill as you then go into a dive loop. Following this will be the next boost to get you up to speed. After, you are sent into the ride's third inversion, a 0G stall. Twisting and turning as you pass over and under the infamous Starway, you will then pass through the fourth and final inversion, and then into the brake run as you cross the finish line. Reaching speeds of over 70 miles per hour, including 4 inversions, clocking in at around 70 seconds of pure ride time, and stretching over 4,000 feet of track. This looks to be exactly what the park has needed for many years. But wait, there's more. The coaster cars will also spin and rotate to give the sensation of drifting. This would be similar in style to Epcot's Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, and offer a bit more thrill along the way. It could also serve a purpose beyond just being a much more unique ride experience. It could help manipulate how noise travels through the park based on which way the riders are facing. For years there's been debate on why Universal Studios Hollywood couldn't get a major roller coaster of this caliber. Yes, land and real estate does play a factor here, and the park has been getting more creative over the years on how they can expand. But also, a large portion of the park very much is still a working movie studio. Therefore, sound could be a big issue as to why they have not built anything of this scale until now. The only other coaster besides Flight of the Hippogriff in the park is Revenge of the Mummy, which is entirely enclosed by a building to block out any sound. Recently, the park was actually caught testing out different screams and roller coaster noises to measure how far it will travel through the valley. By making it so riders will always be turned away from the studio backlot, it could allow for the filming to still take place undisturbed, since this coaster will be running continuously day in and day out. While we still don't have an opening time frame, I think the park will be looking to getting this coaster open as soon as possible. Well, let us know what you think. Are you looking forward to this new thrill ride? And as Dom Torito says,
Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
see you in the next one.